Can I tell you how happy I am that FedEx delivers on Sunday? I just got my FabFitFun box 30 minutes ago. I jumped in the shower, I got dressed, and I told my husband we have to share this with the world because the fall and winter FabFitFun boxes are always my favorite, and I didn't want to waste any time. We're going to actually get right into the unboxing. If you want to learn more about FabFitFun, I'll kind of narrate along the way, but there's nothing worse than a really long intro when you just want to see what's in the box, right? So at the end, I'll show you my add-ons. I'll show you the boost that I got. I'll tell you all about FabFitFun. If you want the discount code, you get $10 off from using my link in the description of this video. Let's do this thing. And yes, I peeked. So here's a first look at the box, very fall-like. I think they're going with more sustainable packaging now. So there's a little bit more of a cardboard look and a little bit less color, which I think is great. Good for them. These are always really wonderful reusable boxes. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I got to pick a lot of the items that were inside, so we are going to kind of talk a little bit about that, and we're going to talk about the value of the box and whether I think it's worth it, because I think that's so important. Here is the magazine that comes inside. It is full of little discounts and things like that, but this is just a good guide for when you're opening your box. You can just kind of take a look at it, read along. There's also wonderful articles in it. So I'm going to open that right up on my desk so I can have it with me while we are talking. And I'm also going to tell you the value of every single item in the box. So let's talk about the first item that I picked for my box. It actually shipped outside the box because it's quite large, and it is this Foxy Bay 25 milliliter curling wand with a rose gold colored barrel. If you see me glancing off to the side, it's because I have a price list over here. This is valued at $99. I actually think I added this on for something like $15, but that is a very high value. And I know that these sell for at least $50 or $60 in other places. I kind of want to open this one up and show it to you all because I think it's a big deal. This is a good brand. I actually don't have a 25 millimeter barrel right now for a wand. I have a curling iron, but not a barrel. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's really nice, everybody. Beautiful quality. Here it is. Gorgeous. Looks very, very nice. I'm going to be giving this a try. As you notice, I have my hair straight today. So this is the first item. Super thrilled about that. The second item that I customized, I think is my favorite thing in the box. I haven't opened it yet, but it is the Uncommon James canisters. These are a value of $49. They're 2 copper canisters. They're huge, and my husband is gonna see these and go, babe, we don't need anything else on the counter, right, babe? But they're gorgeous, and I love them. You could put sugar, flour, utensils, anything you wanted in these. You're going to be blown away at how large they are. So again, this is another customized item. All right, here we go. Let's check them out. Bigger than I expected. Everybody told me they were gonna be big, but they're bigger than I expected. So here is a first look at the big one on the outside, and then we will unwrap the little guy on the inside and see what it looks like. These are so beautiful. I think these would be great for baking supplies. And here is the second one. So I'll show you both. And again, the value on these is $49 for the set. Not too shabby. So I'm thrilled about these. Definitely wanted them, and I'm so glad that they were still available. I am a select member, by the way. Sorry about that loud noise. I'm a select member, so you get a lot of customized choices when you're select. What that means is that you pay for the annual membership instead of paying for the seasonal membership. If you're a seasonal member, you pay $49 every 3 months. And if you're an annual member, you pay $179 for 4 boxes, so you're getting $20 off. And again, there's a code for $10 off your first box. In the description, what happens when you use it is that I get $15 to spend in the store. So I'm not a partner or an affiliate for FabFitFun any longer. They discontinued that program, but now all of us can get $15 when we refer a friend. So you're using my friendly referral link, and you should go into your account if you're already a member, and you should find yours and share it with your friends so you can get $15 too. Super cool stuff. All right, this next item is something that I really can't wait to try because I've been wanting to treat myself to this, but I haven't done it. And these are the Nectar blue light blocking glasses in brown turquoise. I have been wanting some blue light glasses forever, and I just haven't splurged. They come in this cute little, I guess you could say it's like a white bag, but here they are. What do you think? Do you like them, honey? Are they cool? I am so excited about these. What do you think, guys? All right, thrilled about these. The value on these, if you're keeping track of how much this box is worth, is $45. Not too bad. The next item is going to thrill you if you like fall, warm, cozy things. This is the Soya and Keo woven scarf with fringe. I think they actually call it a scarfigan. And it is so high quality from what I've seen on other videos, unboxings and things like that. This is an absolute beauty. And there it goes, down on the floor, but that's okay. Perfect for fall. I love it when FabFitFun includes something like this in their box. It's going to be difficult for me to show you this in full right here. So I'm just gonna try to hold it up a little bit and then I'll open it up and show you what it looks like on. I'm actually just gonna slip it over my shoulders really quickly so you can get a feel for what it would look like on. So it's really more of a scarf than a cardigan. It doesn't have any type of sleeve per se, but it looks like this, and it will look so cute with jeans and boots. It has this pretty fringe on it, and it has kind of a rose gold color in some of the blocks, and then kind of an oatmeal color in others. So rose gold and oatmeal, very pretty, probably great for a lot of different skin tones, and it's 90 degrees in California, so I'm going to take this off. It's very pretty. And I'm happy with it. I always love it. I've heard that this is dry clean only. I don't dry clean anything, so I will be giving this a cold water wash, and I'll let you all know how it goes. Hopefully, it'll go okay. What's next? Okay, so the value on that scarf was $85. Not too shabby. So as you can tell, we've already more than paid for this box. It's definitely worth it already. Even if there was something I didn't like, I could gift that item and it would be no problem at all. So what do I want to look at next? I think we're going to go to the clips that I got here. Where are they? Oh, these are so cute. These were another choice item. And these are called, again, glancing at my list, 8 Other Reasons Runway Clip Trio. And these are really, really pretty. There's 3 of them. One of them's kind of rose gold. One of them is kind of a mixed color and one's kind of oatmeal. As you can see, I have a rose gold and oatmeal theme going on here. And value on these is $32. These are adorable. Let's take them out of the package. And I'll even put one in my hair for just a moment and we can see what we think. Do a little twist like that. And I can't see my hair, so that probably looks ridiculous, but get a general idea for what they look like. These are so pretty. These will be great for the holidays too. And they will match the scarf. So I'm thrilled about that. Can't wait. All right, another customized item is the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Cleanser. I was really glad that this was available. I felt like I needed something a little pumpkin spicy in my box, and I got it. So I don't know if this is an exfoliating type of a cleanser, if it has grit in it, or if it's more just a day-to-day cleanser, but needless to say, I'm excited to try it, and this is a $28 value. It's pretty full size at 4 ounces too. Yay. Should we smell it? Let's see if it smells like pumpkin and walnuts. I'm gonna open it because I know that I'm going to immediately start using this because I wanna start to feel like fall. Okay. Oh yeah, oh. Heavy notes of spice in that. This is just delightful. I also believe, I need to tell you guys, I think the fall box might be sold out, but I don't want you to hesitate to try FabFitFun at this time. They always have a box for sale and you usually get to customize. So even if this one is sold out, make sure that you check out the link in the description and give it a try, or at least poke around on the website and see what you think about it. It's fun, trust me. And if you don't like something in the box when you receive it, you could either kind of give it a try or you could gift it. This stuff makes excellent hostess gifts. So the rest of the items in the box were all what they call mystery choices, where FabFitFun chose the remaining 3 items in the box for me. So I don't know, or I'm not supposed to know what they are. I do know because I peeked, but I'm gonna show you what they are. There were other choices, and I'm pretty happy with what I got for the most part. I'll explain as we go. The item I'm most excited to receive is this Glow Milk. This is a coconut and argan oil, some kind of a glowy, bronzy lotion to put on your body, which I always love having these, especially when we're going on cruises and we can get dolled up for formal night and things like that. It's really difficult packaging, but I'm just going to try to get it out of there so you guys can see what it looks like. It's really stuck in there, but this is the product. Here we go. And it's just definitely very bronzy. It's kind of an illuminating glow fluid. This is the one item in the group of items that I wanted the most associated with this grouping, so I'm super glad that I got it. I think one of the other items was a shower gel, and I don't use shower gel, so I was really happy when I didn't get the shower gel. So anyway, the next thing I'm a little bit meh on, it completely matches my shirt, but this is the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. So I believe that you can just spray this on your pillows or around your bed if you have trouble sleeping, and we'll give this one a try. I'm not gonna open it because I can tell that it's on major tape lockdown and I don't wanna struggle with it. The last item I was super skeptical about when I opened my box today. The funny thing is, I needed this item. I didn't really want it, but I needed it. And here's what it is. It is the Laundress Crease Release. You see the top that I'm wearing right now? About 20 minutes ago, this top was folded up in a box. I just got this from FASHOM, which is a styling service that I use and love, and I have $20 off your first FASHOM box in the description of this video if you want to give it a try. But anyway, my shirt was so wrinkly, I was going to have to iron it. And I thought, well, let's put this stuff to the test. And it did a great job. You can't really see the whole shirt because I'm sitting down, but I am really thrilled with the end result, and I will use that product. And it is something that I needed and I don't have on hand. So in that sense, I'm glad that I got it. The reason I was a little sad is because they had some other pumpkin-y type items, some fall items. They had a room spray that was very fall-like. They had a pumpkin spice pedicure kit, and I was just hoping I'd get those. But you just, you don't have control over your entire box, but you do get 4 or 5 choices, which is really exciting and wonderful. So I want to let you know that the total value of this box was about $400, and my annual membership is $179. So I basically pay $45 every season for this. So I would say that it is absolutely worth it. I probably will keep everything in the box instead of gifting it because I'm so thrilled with it. Hard to say exactly what my favorite item is, but I gotta be honest, I really wanted these glasses. They're so cute. And I'm thrilled about the canisters as well. So between those two things, I'm just so excited. FabFitFun also has what's called add-ons. So before you select and customize your box, you get to go shopping on their website, and it is so much fun. So I want to show you the 3 add-on items that I chose. But before I get to that, I forgot to show you what's called a boost item. When you're customizing your box, you get the opportunity to boost and add some more things at an additional charge. You can also add more customization items, but there's a few items for boost. I don't really know what the difference is, but I added this CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil from Sunday Riley because I love Sunday Riley products, and I am a face oil junkie. I have extremely dry skin, and fall and winter are coming, and look at the generous size. This is 1.18 ounce, which will go a long way in a face oil. This is going right on my bathroom counter, and I'm so thrilled about it. So this was my boost item. Could not be more happy with the choices. Now I want to show you the items that I chose to add on. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of add-on items available every season. So I chose from a lot of different things. I had a little bit of credit in the store because of you all using my referral link and signing up for FabFitFun. So I got to treat myself to a few things, but I made a promise to myself that I wasn't going to spend any extra money. So I limited myself to these 3 items. I got this R&Co Neon Lights Dry Oil Spray for the hair. I am obsessed with this brand for hair. I use their shampoo and conditioner, which I formerly bought as an add-on and was a box item from FabFitFun. So that's how I discovered the brand. So I bought this. I also bought this adorable little Lily Pulitzer lunch bag. How cute is that? Now, for the most part, I'm working from home these days due to the quarantine, but I have been going into the office a little bit, and I do pack my lunch so that I can be safe and I don't have to go out. And this is so cute. I had to have it. It was a treat for myself. This next item I think you're all gonna love, and it is an adorable apron. I promise you I didn't plan my shirt to match it, but how cute is this En Vogue apron? It is so cute. It has mixed fabrics, mixed media, and it's just so pretty. It has little pockets on it. Can you see that okay? So those are my 3 add-ons. Thank you so much to those of you who have used my link in the past to sign up. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate the credit that I get when you do it. And I hope that you'll share your personal referral link with your friends. Please go ahead and check out the description for more awesome resources, beauty, fashion, travel. We have discount codes down there for you. And thank you for sharing in my excitement today. I just had to show you guys my box. I couldn't wait any longer. And we hope that you will let us know how you liked your box, if you got one, and what you got in your box in the comments below. Thank you all for joining, and until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.